We're in the middle of 12.5 wooded acres, standing inside an octagon-shaped home that doesn't feel real. And honestly, this is one of those properties you either understand instantly or you need to walk through in person to fully appreciate what's going on here.
The first thing that hits you is the shape, an octagonal design that completely changes how space feels. Instead of long hallways and boxed-in rooms, everything flows outward toward walls of glass. Every direction you turn, there's light, trees, and the feeling that the forest is part of the house itself. This is not a standard Vermont home. It's more like a structure built around experience, rather than square footage. On the ground level, you've got radiant heated floors that immediately set a comfortable tone, along with 2 bedrooms and a 3/4 bath. There's also a mudroom space that actually makes sense for Vermont living. Boots, gear, snow, all of it has a place. And then there's a larger open area that naturally becomes a gathering space, currently set up in a way that could easily fit a pool table or entertainment zone. Move upstairs, and the design shifts again. The kitchen takes advantage of the tall ceilings, and instead of feeling closed in, it feels open and vertical. Cabinets are mounted high with under-cabinet lighting, creating both function and a clean visual flow. There's space for cooking, gathering, and actually enjoying the room instead of just using it. A second 3/4 bath sits on this level, along with heated living areas powered by efficient Rinnai propane systems, giving the home practical year-round comfort.